Good day in the home, I'm your host Klavs and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Or Jakuna. This time we're gonna explore and check out how you can remove this rear light or tail light or however you call it. Because this, once you open the trunk, you don't get easy access to it. Let me show you. Now we have to get to the headlight. But all the screws for the headlight are at the back, so in here, and that's where the problem starts, because you have to remove all of this. All of this inside needs to be removed, starting with this, which just pops up. This can come out too. Actually, this first, then this one. Now let's lower the seat, and we need to remove this. It's right here, somewhere right here. This light, somewhere right here. So we need to get rid of all of this. Now first things first, we need to get the screws. Here is one where are the hooks. Here is one, and once you pull this to lower the seat, there is another tab. You have to do it with something sharp, so screwdriver will work for me. All you have to do is, see right here, you put in here and turn it a little bit, pull. There you go, comes off. Come on. There you go. Epic. The same on this, and right here on that one, on this one. You have to do exactly the same thing. We need to remove this and the inside too, so everything on the inside needs to go. So you are coming with me. Come out. And this needs to disappear too, because it's in the way. I have a pick, so you can, with the pick you can just take it up and see, with the pick. Lovely. This one I think will pop itself. There we go. That's out too. There is one screw here. With the pick I can actually undo this one. Here is just a Phillips one. Here, right here. This one, let's see. Oh, it just comes off. And here, so it just comes off like that. It has two tabs. This is a 10mm. This one, a 10mm. Nice, 10mm. And this one, 10mm. So everything is a 10mm here. Oh, don't lose this one. You will need this. See, it should be like this. Now it's only thing is missing is this one. So it's a Phillips flat, not flat, but Phillips head, or the Plus. Now I should be able with the pry tool Hello. So you can see I did that by hand. Okay, here. So this all is loose. Now we need to remove this, but for us to get to this, need to remove here, the bottom part. So let's try the crack. The crack works, the quack. Now I wish I could use both of the hands. As you guys are here, I can't. There you go. That's the ticket. That's the ticket. There you go. See? It clipped in here. Here, here, here and there. Now we can actually unclip this. We start from here, go up. And pull this forwards to yourself. There you go, it came loose, see? So now we can actually pop this out fully. There you go. That's it, that's the panel piece. It just clipped there. There we go. That's the ticket. There we go. And this sideways and slide it out. There you go. Lovely. Now we can use the pick. See, this is a small pick, which you usually pick O-rings, but they work really well on these types too. See, you just put it in, pull it towards yourself. See, the same here. Just a pick. See? And it doesn't break anything. It's not ruining it, it's not breaking anything, see? With the pick. Epic. See? Pick, epic. Haha. Oh, here is another one. Now it looks like this all is free to move, see? It's all free. It's all willing to go. That's just tapped in there. There you go. Lovely. Now what do we have behind there? Aha. See, we have these tabs or this. The blue thing, we can undo the blue. Let's pick it with the pick. The other side, I know you can't see it, even I can't see the other side. Oh, and want it like this, just pull it out. Look at that, poggers. Now I think it just slides out. You press here on top, see, it goes down. Here on the bottom, then it comes out. Now if I'm correct, we can fully remove all of this. Oh no, there is on the bottom. See, you always find they are hidden somewhere. Always they are somewhere hidden. Bastards. And now I think it should come out in one piece. There we go. This piece is out. And now we can actually get to the bolts. Oh, hello, somebody's been here. One is missing, one is there and one is there. Oh, somebody has been here already. Okay, let's press this tab first. This, and it should come out. It sure does. Now this one, press on the tab and wiggle. There you go, it comes off. This can go back in, and this looks like 10 mils. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's a 10 mil, and that's a 10 mil. Okay, two 10 mils basically. There you go. Now the light should be free to come out. And now as we undid those 2 screws, there should be 3 of them. There were only 2. Those plugs, this light should be just free to come out. If it wouldn't be stuck somewhere. Why is it stuck here? Is there something? No, there isn't anything. Excuse me, let me put it like this. I need 2 hands. There you go, it just slides out. And it's out. As you can see, light's fully out. That's how it looks like. So that's how you take out the headlight, and if you want to change the headlight or get a new one, there you go. So if you liked the video, of course, smash the like button, subscribe and notification bell. Hope I'll see you next video. Bye bye.